We're here today with the Jamaica College's goalkeeper, Rassico. He's gone under the radar this season because he's been outstanding, but nobody has really given it note. Speak to us about your performance today, Mr. Rose.
It's a very good performance. Coming into this game, follow the coach instruction and just do what I have to do. Very, the coach come out half time, although he's on the sideline giving instruction. Sometimes it's irritating, but I just have to do what he said to get everything.
Alright, so all season a lot of people have been talking about a lot of other goalkeepers from many other schools, and nobody has really given you the praise that you deserve. What do you think is the cause of that?
What I think is the cause of that, the reasons for that is I have an injury, right? I have an injury. I'm a very lazy person, but this year I come out and I decide to say I go work because we need back the title, and Jamaica College is where my heart is.
Alright, so you are very outstanding on your feet. Speak to us about how it feels, or how did you develop such a good game playing the ball at your foot as a goalkeeper?
As a goalkeeper, when I was younger, playing in my community, Watson Grove, learn football on the ground. We don't kick away football, ball at feet, and all of that. So by growing and growing, coming to Jamaica College, seeing the same thing, just come out and just execute and just do what the coach should do.
Alright, so Jamaica College in the quarterfinals, 3-for-3, securely advancing to the semi-finals and top in the zone. How does it feel to be in the semi-finals officially?
It's a very good feeling, very good feeling.
Alright, and is there a team that you prefer to face in the semi-final between Mona and KC?
No, it doesn't. It really doesn't matter. Anything come, just come.
And after the semi-final, how far can JC take this? Will you guys be going all the way?
All the way.
Alright, thank you for talking to us.